Hello guys, good morning. Today we are seeing another package of trailer we are going to deliver to the overseas. Just one of the package we are going to see. Here is the 3 units. This is the first unit, that's the second unit. On the top is the third unit. And on the top we have the bulkhead packaged on the top and also other parts. Here is the jack. The jack is about 1.6 meter. To lift it up, the second and the third trailer with a gap in the middle. In the front we can easily see the air connections, the 2 units air connections. It's usually 1 unit, now it's 2 units. Okay, here is the lashing ring. The lashing ring we're using is X shaped, but not only one, but 2 of them. So 2 X lashing rings to fix this end. We can call it front. This is the jack from this side, and over there we have the tire. So the tire can be lifted up with the jack in the front and rear. There's a landing gear bucket. We have removed the landing gear, and that's the toolbox we put inside. On the side we're using the lashing ring too, and also we use other steel cable like this to fasten this up. And that's a suspension hanger, because this is a leaf spring suspension, so it can be upside down. Here is the label to show the driver how to adjust the axle space. Okay, here is the rear of the package. You can see the jack here is touching to the second one's bottom flange, and that's on the top. Here at the rear we also have the X type lashing ring to show you how it looks like. Okay, if we go to the bottom of the trailer, we can see at the bottom it is same as the normal semi-trailer, so it can be towed by a tractor. This is air reserve tank and braking chamber, slide adjuster, camel shift, and that's a drum brake axle drum. That's it. Okay, if we get out from here, we can see the spare tire carrier, and this one is the rear of the trailer, and that's the top rear of the trailer. That's the third front of the trailer. If you look from this side, you can see how it looks like. Okay, and this is the view of others. To talk about this, we have those protections like this to protect the tire, and like that to protect the tire. Anywhere to touch the side beam or the tires, we use those materials to protect it. To protect it from the shaking and the damage. Something like this. Okay, I think that would be all for today's video. Thank you guys very much. Hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.